In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Redragon K621 Keyboard. The Redragon K621 Horus TKL wireless RGB low profile mechanical keyboard is a sleek and compact 80% layout keyboard, available in a stylish silver color. It features ultra-thin design, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. The keyboard offers a variety of switch options, red, brown, and blue, to cater to different typing preferences and styles. It supports both wired and wireless connections, utilizing Bluetooth technology, and offers customizable RGB backlighting. The sales data indicates a decent performance, with various related items also gaining traction in the market. With a price range from approximately $49.51 to $65.54 over the last 3 months, it remains competitively priced, appealing to a broad audience looking for functionality and aesthetics in their keyboard. Number 2. DrunkDeer A75 Gaming Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 Rapid Trigger Mechanical Keyboard features an innovative magnetic switch technology that eliminates physical contact when keys are pressed, allowing for customizable actuation between 0.2mm and 3.8mm. This wired keyboard is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, enhancing the typing experience with its fast trigger and quick rebound mechanics, making it particularly effective for FPS gaming. It is compatible with major operating systems, including various versions of Windows and limited Mac OS support. The keyboard boasts an impressive RGB backlighting system with 18 customizable effects and adjustable brightness, allowing users to personalize their gaming setup. Additionally, it has received positive reviews for its build quality and performance, making it a popular choice among gaming enthusiasts. Number 3. Aula F87 Pro. The Aula F87 Pro wireless gasket mechanical keyboard is a compact 87-key TKL, tenkeyless device designed for gamers and coders alike, featuring a tri-mode connection capability that allows for Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or wired Type-C connection. With its innovative gasket mount design, it ensures a soft and smooth typing experience enhanced by extended silicone padding and pre-lubed stabilizers. Boasting a substantial 4000 mAh battery for prolonged use, the keyboard supports N-key rollover for simultaneous key presses and offers vibrant RGB backlighting customizable with 16.8 million colors. Constructed with durable double-shot PBT keycaps, it allows for hot swapping of switches for personalization, further complemented by adjustable feet for ergonomic comfort. The Aula F87 Pro not only excels in function but also enhances any setup with its stylish design and dynamic lighting features. Number 4. Aula F87 Pro. The M87 Pro Hot Swap Mechanical Keyboard is a versatile TKL, tenkeyless, gaming keyboard that supports tri-mode connectivity via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C. This retro-designed keyboard features an OLED display and customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their experience. With a solid 4.8-star rating from 31 reviews, it has garnered positive feedback for its build quality and functionality, although some users noted software convenience issues. Offering compatibility with various operating systems such as Windows and macOS, it is equipped with RTME white pre-lubed linear switches and a long-lasting 3000 mAh battery. The keyboard's hot swap capability allows for easy switch customization, making it ideal for gaming enthusiasts. With a compact layout of 87 keys and a weight of 1,480 grams packaged, it balances functionality and aesthetics, further enhanced by features like dye sublimated keycap printing and an adjustable connectivity system. Number 5. Akko MONSGEEK M3 Mechanical Keyboard. The Akko MONSGEEK M3 DIY kit is a tenkeyless, TKL, mechanical keyboard designed for customization and performance, featuring a CNC aluminium construction and RGB backlighting. This barebone kit offers hot swap capabilities for easy switch replacement and is compatible with south-facing LEDs. Priced between $83.09 and $133.41 over the past 3 months. It has garnered a perfect 5.0 rating from 2 reviewers, highlighting its quality and performance. The keyboard's design emphasizes a compact layout, allowing for more desk space while maintaining functionality. With a focus on user personalization, the M3 features a new silver accent and is backed by MONSGEEK's quality assurance standards for aluminium finishes. The kit is intended for desktop and laptop use, making it a suitable choice for gamers and typing enthusiasts alike.